Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a login page using AI. So what you have to do, you have to go to the browser and you have to actually generate a prompt. So this is just a simple information about the login page, and I have hit enter and it will now generate a professional prompt for me. You can see, okay, and you can actually mention here the color combination also, and if you want animation also you can mention here, but I'm okay with it for the tutorial purpose. So now you have to actually install a terminal based AI. So we are going to actually install a terminal based AI. For this we are going to open a terminal. If you are from Windows, you just have to open command prompt, okay, and then you have to write down this command npm space I space -g open code -ai at latest. So if you're from Windows, you will actually run this. But if you are from Mac OS, you just have to mention here sudo at the very beginning and give here space and hit enter. Then it will start installing OpenCode CLI. Okay, and I am assuming that you can install it because really simple. One more thing is if you need to install this using npm, here you can see npm, you have to have node.js. Okay, so go for this site nodejs.org and click here download. Then you will come to this page, and from here you can select the version, then select this installer. Okay, then you will get the file. Just double click on the file and install it. Very simple. Now if you go for the terminal and if you write down this command and hit enter, then it will start installing. Okay, remember one thing, if you're from Mac, you have to actually remove this at least, sorry. All right, I'm assuming that you can do this, so I'm going to cut it and I'm going to reopen terminal, and let me show you if you want to check that if you successfully install it or not. What you have to do, you have to say here open code hyphen version. Okay, then you will get the open code version. All right, now everything is okay here. So we are going to actually go to the files, and here let's say I want to open code here in the downloads. So I can actually create here a new folder and I will say AI, and I will open terminal here. So right click on the folder and new terminal, add folder. You have to say this. If you're from Windows, just go inside the folder and click here in this address bar and say cmd. Then you will find you just have to say here cmd and then hit enter. Okay, then command prompt will be open in a specific folder. Okay, but here in Mac OS, we just have to select the folder and then right click on the folder and then click here new terminal at folder. Okay, so this is our terminal. You can see currently I'm inside AI folder, and here we just have to say open code and hit enter. Then open code will be open here, you can see. Okay, so here now I'm going to write down the command prompt. Okay, so let's go back to the here in the chat GPT, and here I have to actually copy this. Okay, from here to here. Either you can actually copy from here. Okay, so copy this, and let's go back to the terminal, and we have here open code, and in a specific folder that is called AI. Here we are going to paste it. So command plus V to paste it. If you're from Windows, control plus V. If you're from Linux, control plus shift plus V. Now hit enter, then it will actually create login page for us. Okay, here you can see to dos. So create index.html, then there will be dashboard.html with admin dashboard, create style.css, and then login page in browser shortly. So we just have to wait for the project completion, and I'll fast forward the video. When the project will be done, I will back. So guys, here you can see this is the login page, and here we just have to give the email address and then password, but we haven't actually implemented. This is for the login page design, right? And this is nice. And if you want animation, you can mention here. Let's say we have here little animation, you can see. If we hover on it, we are getting here slightly glow effects, right, with the animation, pop-up animation, you can see. Yes, and in the background, if you want animation, you can mention in here in this chat option and then regenerate it. So either you can use ChatGPT or maybe you can use Gemini or any other chatbot. That's all. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.